Tucked away in the peaceful beauty of Maine, this cozy camp-style home is the perfect retreat for anyone looking to combine comfort, convenience, and privacy, all in one thoughtfully designed space. From the moment you arrive, you'll notice how this home blends seamlessly with its natural surroundings, offering that unmistakable feeling of your own private getaway. Step inside and you'll find a layout designed with easy living in mind. The main floor bedroom, full bathroom, and laundry area make everyday life simple and accessible, whether you're here seasonally or year-round. Upstairs, a charming loft bedroom provides a versatile space for guests, a reading nook, or a cozy hideaway that looks out over the trees. One of the highlights of this property is the spacious deck. It's the perfect place to sip your morning coffee, soak in the fresh Maine air, or gather with friends for an evening under the stars. Complete privacy surrounds you here, making it feel like your very own slice of paradise. And don't worry about power outages. A portable generator conveys with the sale, giving you peace of mind no matter the season. For those looking for even more room to grow, there is additional land available. Check out MLS number 1630-971 for details and imagine the possibilities. Expand your retreat, add another structure, or simply enjoy more space to roam. Whether you're dreaming of a weekend camp, a seasonal getaway, or a compact home that offers tranquility year-round, this cozy camp delivers it all in one neat, well-maintained package. If you're ready to escape the noise and claim your own corner of Maine, this cozy camp is waiting for you. Schedule your private showing today and come experience it for yourself.